Hey, what's up guys? Boosted Rider. I'm just gonna show, I'm waiting on the parts for the spacers for the rear wheel, and I'm gonna replace these bearings in the rear wheel anyway. One here, one on the other side, and there's one in the sprocket assembly. I don't want to space the wheel. I usually just use wood and stuff. Actually, want to space the wheel, give a bearing room to be able to move and come out. Inside of here, there is a there's a spacer that the rear axle bolt goes through that just kind of floats in there. So kick it to one side. I don't know if you can see in there, but I kick it to one, push it down to one side. It does float around a little bit, so it gives you a tiny bit of room. And then should be able to get on the lip. You don't want to heat the bearing, you just want to heat the hub around there. Is that the lip that's all sticking out? You gotta be a little careful here because you can easily hammer your damn finger holding that thing. And yep, bearings out. That was easy. Okay, well that worked pretty well. Now we can go to the other side. I guess I'll heat this side up a little. It seemed like it worked really well. It's probably about 70 degrees today out here in South Carolina. Gets it hot really fast, so you don't need it too long. This one should be a lot easier to get out because we got a lot of room on the other side. Okay, we'll just put the punch down in there. Right down in there, right on the metal part of it. It's moving. It's definitely moving. And it's out. Pop right out. Okay. So that's the bearings for the rear wheel itself. And then there's a third one. That's even pretty warm. Let's get this out the way. There's a third bearing for the rear, and that is right here. So let's pop this seal out. Kind of a tough one. That's a real tough seal. It's like corroded on there or something. That was tough, but I got it. This up. Again, you're not trying to heat the bearing. You're trying to heat the metal around it. So it expands. Just trying to light that grease up. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna flip. Oop, that's hot. Same thing, I'm gonna flip this one over. And I wanna make sure the bolt heads are hitting that so I'm not putting all my strain on the sprocket. Should be able to hammer it right down and out. Gotta be getting close. When it spins, it kind of messes you up. And it's out. Okay. So those are the 3 bearings on the CBR 600 F4 rear wheel. This is a 2000, but 99, 2000 are exactly the same. I'm guessing the F4Is are probably the same too, maybe the F3s even. Not hard to get them out. Getting them in's easier. So the whole thing's really pretty simple. Just wanted to show you guys, there's just a little bit of heat, goes a long ways. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video and take care, alright?